Okay, today is Saturday, November 11th, 2017. This is Biostats Group 9, Lesson 18, Group Meeting Quiz. We'll go ahead and skip the first two questions and go ahead with question 3.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to read the whole thing, or what do you guys want to do on these?
I mean, I can read it if you read it so many times, and besides, I missed a couple of lessons, so I guess I'll start.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you want me to read just the question or the whole thing?
That's whatever you want to do is fine.
Okay, so I'll just read the question. So the question 3 is: use the data in the table to find p hat 1. P hat 1, and so it's the question asks about the people who can taste PTC. So it's 52 divided by 70, and it's 0.743.
Yep.
Yep. If we round up.
Yep. Question 4: find p hat 2. It's 0.712.
0.712. Yeah. You're fast, Oscar.
Yeah, I mean, I cheated a little bit, so I kind of did them a little bit before.
Oh, all right, keep going.
I did not submit anything, so I don't know the correct answer.
It's okay. I'm with you.
The question 5, I chose the first one. Because the question asked whether or not the
proportion of females is different.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
Yeah, I agree.
Yep.
95% confidence interval.
Yeah,
okay. I'm gonna need just a second, Oscar, because I haven't put mine in yet.
Of course.
Hang on.
Of course.
70, 42, 59. Okay, now I'm ready. Confidence interval.
You want to take this one?
Okay, sure. The 95% confidence interval, I got negative 0.123 and 0.185. What is the point estimate? My bad. Yeah. What is the point estimate for the 95% confidence interval? We want.
I think it's just P1 minus P2. That's all it is.
Yeah. But we don't want to use rounded stuff, right?
No, I use rounded. It's like 0.031. That's what I got. I mean, you can plug all the things, all the data that you gave us into the table.
So I
think information said don't round till you get your final answer.
It doesn't matter. I didn't round, and I still got 0.031.
Okay, awesome.
So that's good to know.
That works. I agree.
Okay, margin of error. So negative 0.123 plus 0.185 divided by 2 minus 0.185. Okay, Oscar, did you get 0.154?
Yes.
Yep, I agree.
0.154. Okay, now here's the answers I was trying to give you there. Okay, so negative 0.123. And then the upper bound is 0.185.
Yes.
Agree.
Okay. What's our p-value? Oh gosh, it's a big p-value. Woo! Okay, so we are failing to reject the null. So I want number A. The first one.
Correct.
Man, guys, there's 20 questions today.
I know.
Okay, so if we fail to reject, there is insufficient. It's different than the last one.
Yep.
Yes.
Peggy, did you already do your quiz too? Am I the only one?
I look.
I'm sorry, guys. Okay.
It's okay.
Well, you know, if you look on his,
For the
I
next
don't-
9 questions,
there was-
mortality rate.
there was something that came out. I can't remember. Was it an email or on his whatever page? But it talked about people and how long they were taking to do their group meeting quizzes. And I'm thinking, for how fast some of these groups get finished, they must be all doing them ahead.
Yeah,
But P1 version.
Yeah, I love this one. Like, who's checking heart attacks on a weekday versus a weekend?
Oh, you wouldn't believe what kind of research the people are doing. This is
The anchovy one is the one I really thought was dumb.
well.
Okay, so 1 6 7 1 3 1 1 8 5 1 9 6 1 5 5 1 4 2 4 4 7. On the weekend who died. Died less than the proportion, so we want less than this time.
Yes.
The first one has to be true, right? We've got so many people.
Mm-hmm.
I agree.
Wait, are you using the Excel spreadsheet, or are you just calculating by hand?
Right now I'm just calculating by hand because every time I switch to the spreadsheet, I have to flip screens. It just takes forever.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's harder. It is. It takes up.
P1. Okay, so you want the last one on 13?
Yes. Do you guys have like Windows, or is it
Use
like
the data in the table to find P1. Are you wanting me to do a split screen, Oscar?
I was just wondering if you.
I probably can do a split screen, but I'm probably old enough to be your mother, and so it's really awkward for me to do a split screen. It's easier for me just to complain about not being able to do one than it is to learn how to do it.
I understand completely.
I'm so sorry. 42447. Okay, type of test. Okay, so what are we looking for? I completely forgot now.
It's a P1.
Oh, P1. Okay. One 6 7 1 3 divided by 1 1 8 7 9. Okay, did you guys get 0.141?
Yep.
Yes.
P2 6155 divided by 42447, and then 0.145. Ooh, those are close.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they are. That's what I got too.
Okay, find the z-score. So now we'll go to my table. Negative 2.02.
Yes.
Given the z-score from the last question, which should you shade, the left or the right of the z-score for the p-value? We want to the left because it's less than.
It's the left,
Yes.
correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, left. What is the p-value for this test? P-value is 0.022.
Mm-hmm.
Rounded from 0.0217. Correct.
What is the decision? This time we're going to reject.
Mm-hmm.
And so our thing is there is sufficient evidence to conclude.
That.
So we want C.
Agree.
Yes. Right. Submitting quiz.
Well, I'm glad my computer didn't crash. It's just shut down a few times. I closed a bunch of stuff hoping that things would stay alive, and so far so good.
Yeah, we got everything right.
Yay!
Yippee!
Okay. Sorry for slowing everyone down. Okay, are we meeting next Tuesday again?
Yeah, sounds good.
As far as I know, and so we'll be on lesson 19, and I was looking ahead, and it looks like 20, which will be next Saturday, will be a review for the next exam.
Okay.
Mhm.